We finally checked into the airport, waiting for our flight. Gonna eat ramen noodle one last time before we head out. Next stop, Singapore. Just landed at Singapore airport. Trying to figure out how we get to the hotel. We are going to Rycote Hotel. Rycote, yes. Finally just grabbed our cab. Headed to our hotel now. $6.60.
Check in.
Check it in.
Reception after.
Look at this stuff. We're shopping in here. It's crazy. This hotel is huge. Really nice though.
Baby, see your hotel? Look at you. See the crib?
That's our view right now.
Oh wow! Swimming pool.
The shopping mall. That's the pool. It's on the 7th floor. Well, the room is definitely a lot bigger than our Tokyo room. I just can't get over the good view that we have.
And the slippers.
Day number 1. So we finally in Singapore, rested up. Gonna go explore now. It's 95 today?
Yes. No, 86. I don't know.
86, 90, something like that.
It's so hot though. It's cheap.
But it's hot. We'll get some coffee to start our day.
Are you guys doing a movie touring? Where you guys from?
It's ours. New York.
New York. Nice.
Got our Starbucks. So right underneath our hotel, there's like a shopping center and like a food court.
Groceries.
It's pretty convenient. Coming from Tokyo to Singapore.
It's warm weather.
It's definitely different. We've been walking for like 2 minutes and I'm already sweating.
Trying to protect my face.
River walk.
You found him right there.
You holding up? Okay. Trying to get used to this heat. It's brutal. First stop, looking for Chinatown. Here, Chinatown.
Oh, look at those little things. I want to take a picture of those.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, look. It's so cool. You think they sell this in Sokmai?
I don't think it's gonna be like this quality though, but we'll see.
Good to see. Nice to hold once broken consider sold.
What they mean is, you break, you buy.
Yes. So clean.
I love durian. Everything here is like durian. Durian milkshake.
He's got his fix.
Fried oysters. Oh yeah, I took off your shoes to get into there.
Daring ice cream.
So we're at Singapore, Chinatown. This is the temple.
Market.
Temple is pretty cool. Check out some statues.
No, I don't think so.
It was okay.
To the train station, AC.
Gotta take the bus.
I don't like bus.
Hate the buses. But supposedly it's a lot faster.
And the Botanical Gardens.
Botanical Gardens, MRT.
Let's explore.
The Swan Lake Gazebo. So peaceful.
So beautiful. Here, rooster.
More jungle.
They're hanging out there, but I see this too.
Sweating. It's hot. No more in black. The real question is, where do they keep the vending machines for the water?
Too hot. Very nice. Very hot.
Oh, they got restaurants. Cold water?
Yeah.
Get some water. It's my lifesaver. We'll check the map out.
Flowers are very beautiful, baby.
Is that how they grow it, or is it just their setup?
How they grow. It's how they set up too, baby. Once you put into the soil, it'll be like this. Baby, see the arch?
You could literally spend like a whole day in this whole park with all the different gardens they have.
Yeah, good picture. In this picture. Beautiful. Okay,
Okay. So this is like a cage that has like
all different types of orchids.
Let's go. So peaceful here. It's beautiful here though.
Very beautiful. How the golden arch and thing. Ready, baby?
Like a small little town, shopping district.
A little shop district, baby.
Yeah.
This way you
cool.
get to bargain.
So we have no idea where we're at. We literally just jumped off the bus and found this cool place. Lots of food and shopping, like little shopping areas. Pretty cool. What is it?
What is this?
Reminds me of one of those videos where they go and bargain with people all day. That was pretty crazy. Not really?
Well, these are vendors, baby. It's like the market.
You want to get out of here? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty interesting to see, but it's just a bunch of like knick-knack stuff, vendors. But I think we've seen enough of that earlier, so keep it moving. I'm gonna venture off and see what else is here in Singapore. We're all looking for some more dessert joints. No, it's on the street though. Yeah. So that was durian shaved ice. Really good.
Now I got dairy and bread.
I guess it's like a staple here in Singapore, so had to try it. And they're getting ready to close down this whole street to, I don't know, I think they're setting up.
Yep, the nightlife.
Setting up like for nightlife around here, so it'll be interesting. So we're just walking around and stumbled upon some garden. Not sure exactly where we're at. What is it called? Some rooftop garden.
That's the bar club.
Oh yeah, we're just over there. No, I like the city of it. It's clean, it's amazing. It seems like we've seen a lot in one day though. I'm exhausted. We just left Marina Square. It's mainly for people that shop, but we did not want to shop, so.
I said, and we mainly ate durian a lot.
Ate way too much durian. I think we're done for now until we get to our next country.